Introducing new keyboard-driven tags assigning. This is the Properties window in WinCatalog. Here we have two catalog entries selected, pictures from my Designs folder. Let's move to the Tags tab. All tags are split into 3 sections. Tags assigned to each of the selected entries, tags assigned to at least one of the selected entries, but not all. The last section is the tags not assigned to any of the selected entries. All the tags in this tutorial were added automatically by WinCatalog based on EXIF and IPTC tags from pictures. Here's the filtering box helping you to easily filter and assign existing tags, or create new tags using the keyboard only. Let's start by assigning the existing tag Autumn to the selection. Start typing Autumn and see the live filtering in action. When only one tag is left on the list, press Enter to mark the tag or unmark it if it's marked. Press Escape to clear the filter. A useful tip: if there are several tags on the list, hitting Enter in the filtering box jumps to the list, and the Escape key jumps back to the filtering box. Hitting the space or the Enter on a tag toggles the mark sign. The F2 key renames the selected tag. Now type the brown word. The tag is grayed because it is assigned just to one of the selected entries. Press Enter to mark it for all items, and press Enter once again to unmark it. That's it. Now the brown tag is unassigned. The last example is the web tag, which is missing in the list. Hit Enter to add the tag, and hit Enter again to confirm the name. The added tag is added to the list and marked. Here are our tags Web and Autumn assigned, and the tag Brown is unassigned. Click OK to save changes and close Properties. That's it. Download WinCatalog at wincatalog.com, and thanks for watching.